Hello students, we are discussing the chapter indefinite integration, and in this module we continue our discussion of the type integration by parts. Let's see what we have in store. The question says evaluate the integral x upon 1 plus cos 2x dx. Now my dear students, let's copy the question and let's think about how do we solve this. Our problem in this case is very simple. We have something of the form u by v and we are looking for something of the form u into v. Now in the earlier module, we saw one method where 1 plus sin 2x we multiply divided by conjugate because there was no formula to convert it into a single term. But with 1 plus cos 2x we don't have to do anything like this. So let's see what is the next step. Let me write that 1 plus cos 2x as 2 cos square x. That's my standard 11. So we very well know that 1 plus cos 2x is nothing but 2 cos square x. So in the next step, shall I write this as 1 by 2 outside the integral x upon cos square 2x, and 1 upon cos square, can I say it is nothing but sec square. So let us write this as x into sec square 2x, and this integral we have already seen in the earlier module. Let's evaluate this by applying u into v rule. Now for me to apply u into v rule, let's see in detail which one is u and which one is v and why. So let's see the list of functions which we have. So x belongs to the algebraic category and sec square 2x belongs to the trigonometric category, and if you understand that as per the Liet rule, x comes first, so that is taken as u, and sec square comes later, so that is taken as v. Now once we have identified what is u, what is v, let's apply the rule. So 1 by 2 will be as it is. What we will get is into bracket x integral sec square x dx minus integral of d by dx of x integral of sec square x dx the whole dx. Is that okay, my dear students? Now we have applied the rule. Let's apply the formula. Half will be as it is, x will be as it is, and integral of sec square is nothing but tan. So that is what we have substituted in both the integrals. Now what I am left with is a very simple integral, that is integral of tan x. So 1 by 2 x tan x remains as it is, minus of integral of tan x is nothing but, my dear students, it is log mod of sec x. Since integration is over, we need to add a plus c. There is nothing to simplify, so this becomes a final answer. A very simple sum. So if you have something like this in the denominator, something like 1 plus cos in the denominator, you just apply the formula. You need some practice in this, and these are the sums which you should try. Is that okay? Let's take one more example. Now the question says log x into x cube dx. Let's write down the integral. Now my dear students, I have two distinct functions here in multiplication form. So let's go to apply u into v rule. But which function is u and which function is v? Let's select that. Now log x belongs to the logarithmic category of functions and x cube belongs to algebraic. So as per the rule, log x will be taken as u and x cube will be taken as v. Once we are clear with u and v, let's apply the rule. So what we will have is log x integral x cube dx minus d by dx of log x integral of x cube dx the whole dx. Is that okay, my dear students? Now what we need is integral x cube formula. So let's go to the next step, write that. So log x remains as it is. Integral of x cube, can I say it is x raised to 4 upon 4? That is by using the formula of x raised to n. Likewise, derivative of log x is 1 by x, and again integral of x cube, can I say x raised to 4 upon 4 dx is there. Now my dear students, we are left with one integral to be evaluated, and in that one integral I can simplify the x raised to 4 term and the x to get x cube. Okay, my dear students? So let's see the next step. So let's copy this for our reference. Let's write the next step as x raised to 4 into log x the whole divided by 4 minus 1 by 4 outside the integral, and what I have left in the integral is simply x cube. So I have to evaluate integral x cube dx. So let's rewrite this as x raised to 4 into log x by 4 minus 1 by 4 as it is, and integral x cube we have seen earlier is x raised to 4 by 4, and since integration is over, a plus c. We are done with the integration part, the evaluation part. Now if we can simplify, what we can write in the next step is x raised to 4 log x by 4 minus of x raised to 4 by 16 plus c. I have two terms both have x raised to 4. They have factors of 4 in the denominator. So let's take LCM and let's take x raised to 4 common. What we get is x raised to 4 by 16 into bracket. Since I am taking LCM, what I'll get is 4 log x minus 1 plus c. And this cannot be simplified further, so this becomes my final answer. What do we practice based on this sum? These are the 2 questions which you should try on the same lines. That's all we have in this module, my dear students. Thank you very much.